So I'll start by washing the carrots and peeling off the skin. Go ahead and grate your carrots using the tiniest part of your grater.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light.
Into your heated pan, go ahead and throw in your carrier oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil. Just be sure you're using something organic. So I'll go ahead and top up the oil to have enough. And you're going to be cooking this on a low to medium heat for, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes thereabouts. So this is after 5 minutes, and you can see the carrot has already infused into my carrier oil, and the color has changed to orange. That's the carrot color, as you can see here. So that's just it. Ensure you don't overcook to make sure you have the nutrients intact. Remember, this is the first method. The second method is I won't be heating it up, and for me it's the best because I'm sure I have all the nutrients intact. So I cooked mine for just 10 minutes. Once you're done, go ahead, turn off the heat and strain out the oil like so. Oh my. If it's your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button down there, and don't forget also to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to see all my videos. And for my return subscribers, big hugs from this end. And for the pulp, if you are into soap making, you can go ahead and use it to make your soap. But as for me, I'm trashing it because I don't have plans of making any soap soon. So press out as many oil as you can. After that, I'll go ahead and transfer it into this cup here, and I'll cover it and set it aside for it to cool completely. So after it must have cooled down completely, I'm going to add this cotton into the funnel so that if there is any water at the bottom that has settled, it won't enter into my oil, because the water can make it go rancid. That's making it to spoil earlier than it should. So because I'm using this for my skin, I'll go ahead and add some vitamin E. And I also add some vegetable glycerin to mine. And for the second method, just go ahead, wash, scrape and grate as usual. After grating, go ahead and spread it out and place it under the sun for it to dry completely. It has to be completely dry. If you are using a dehydrator, that makes it faster. It's going to dry within a few hours. So for me, I'm sun drying, and this is the end result. My carrots are dried, like it's bone dry. And this is the jar I'll be using to store this oil. Be sure to clean it properly, especially if you are using your carrot oil for cooking. Go ahead and pour in the dry carrots. Pour in your carrier oil. I'm still sticking to my coconut oil. I'm 100% sure of this oil. Give it a stir. Add as many oil as you can. Cover and keep it somewhere hidden in your room. Every day give it a shake until you are satisfied. So this is after exactly 3 weeks of making this oil, and as you can see, it's properly infused. Now I have my oil. So you can decide not to strain it out immediately. You can strain it out almost immediately. That's your choice. So this is after exactly 8 months and 2 weeks of making this oil. I actually forgot. That's because I have the one I was using then. I actually made this for my baby, and my baby is 8 months already, and I was pregnant when I made this. So one thing I've learned from this is that I usually tell people it will last for 6 months, but this has lasted for more than 8 months and still counting. The taste is still intact, everything. So what I've learned is that once you use a good carrier oil, the carrot oil is going to last as long as the carrier oil. Yeah, that's one thing I've learned. Second thing I've learned is that after 2 weeks to 3 weeks, when the carrot has properly infused into your carrier oil, there is nothing more is doing in there. There is no other thing, like just go ahead and strain it out, because this is the exact color it has been like for the past, after 3 weeks of storing it here. This is the color. And remember, your carrot oil is safe for your skin, for your hair, for your cooking. And for this one, I'm not adding any vitamin E or vegetable glycerin, so I'll just go ahead and store it in a can like this, and this is going to last for as long as only God knows. And I'll be using it for my baby's or hair and skin. And if you have watched this video to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, and I would love to see you in my next video.